Looking for some creative DIY hacks? You've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a world of fun, creativity, and hands-on projects. We're going to show you 3 crafty creations that will spark your imagination. They're simple, they're fun, and best of all, you can do them right at home with materials you likely already have. From transforming everyday items into something extraordinary to creating unique gifts for your loved ones, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for our first hack, the homemade candle. Ever thought about creating your own scented candles? It's easier than you might think. A homemade candle is a beautiful way to bring warmth and personalized fragrance into your space. To start, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need wax. Beeswax or soy wax are both excellent choices. Then you'll require a wick, which you can easily find online or at your local craft store. Next, select an essential oil for fragrance. Lavender, vanilla, and citrus are all popular choices. Lastly, you'll need a heat-resistant container. This could be a mason jar, an old teacup, or even a cleaned-out candle jar. Now, on to the fun part, making the candle. Begin by melting the wax. You can do this in a double boiler on your stove, stirring gently until the wax is completely liquid. Once the wax is melted, carefully mix in your chosen essential oil. The amount you use will depend on how strong you want the scent to be, but a good rule of thumb is to add about 10 drops of oil per 1 ounce of wax. Next, prepare your container. Place the wick in the center and secure it with a little bit of melted wax. Then, slowly pour the wax and oil mixture into the container, making sure the wick stays centered. Allow the candle to cool and harden completely, which may take several hours or overnight. Voila! You now have your very own homemade candle. Next up, DIY Hack 2, the custom tote bag. Tired of the same old tote bags? Why not design and make your own? It's a fun, easy project that allows you to add a touch of personal style to your everyday carry. First off, let's talk about what you'll need. A plain tote bag is your canvas. You can find these at most craft stores or online. Next, you'll need some fabric paint. This comes in a variety of colors, so pick ones that suit your style. Lastly, you'll need a stencil. You can buy pre-made ones, or if you're feeling extra creative, make your own. Now let's get down to the fun part, making your custom tote bag. Start by placing your stencil on the bag where you want the design to be. Hold it steady and start dabbing your fabric paint onto the stencil. Make sure to cover all the cutout areas evenly. Once you're happy with the paint coverage, carefully lift the stencil off. Voila! You've just created your design. But we're not done yet. The paint needs to dry properly to make sure it doesn't smudge or fade. Depending on the brand of paint you use, this could take anywhere from a few hours to overnight. So, be patient. And there you have it, a personalized tote bag that's as unique as you are. You've just taken a plain tote and turned it into a stylish accessory. Ready for our final DIY hack? It's a real gem, the homemade photo frame. Photos deserve a special place, so why not create your own unique photo frame? Let's dive right into this crafty creation. This DIY hack will not only add a personal touch to your space, but will also give your treasured memories a cozy home. First, you'll need a few essentials: a sturdy piece of cardboard, your favorite paint, a reliable glue, and a handful of decorations. Think sequins, stickers, or even dried flowers. Remember, this is your creation, so feel free to get creative with your materials. Now, onto the fun part. Start by cutting your cardboard into your desired frame shape. You could go for a classic rectangle, or perhaps a heart shape to add a touch of sentiment. Don't fret about perfection here. The charm lies in the handmade quality. Once you're happy with your shape, it's time to add some color. Grab your paint and let your creativity flow. Choose a color that complements the photo you'll be housing, or maybe one that matches your room's decor. Give it a good coat and let it dry. While waiting, ponder on the decorations. Arrange them on the frame until you find a pattern you love. Now, take your glue and begin securing your decorations. The final result should be a beautiful blend of your creativity and memories. And there you go, a beautiful homemade photo frame to showcase your favorite memories. So, these were some easy and fun DIY hacks to boost your creativity. We've explored making homemade candles, customizing tote bags, and creating photo frames. Try these out, have fun, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.